Once the wind's in your face, you see the view of the waves, then you're just barely above them going through. Just the rush right there gave you those butterflies, like when you're a little kid gonna jump off a high rock or something. My earliest memory of surfing, my dad pushed me on the little whitewater. I stood up, and then right as it would hit the sand, I would slide up the beach.
It all started with his grandfather riding big waves that had never been ridden before. Nathan learned how to surf and talk and walk and skateboard all at the same time. But his real deal was jumping.
He did different stuff, and I liked that, and it wasn't like the same old shit.
So I watched him just wondering, like, okay, your dad's Herbie Fletcher, your brother's Christian Fletcher, who are you, you know?
Growing up with such radical fucking individuals, you know, just happen to be your brothers. It's a pretty heavy thing.
I always wanted to challenge death.
You know, I remember falling back and seeing the way the shoulder was and just saying, okay, you know, I've had a great life.
I love to get just as close to death as I could possibly get and then dodge it.
Human limits, you know, there's reality there at some point. You know, it's not mind over matter. There's a lot of matter out there, and it's heavy, and it will hold you down.
So I was trying to balance out the fears against the safety. And so that's when I carried on. To take surfing one step further into the future.
Oh! Your tail rudder was in the fucking...
In the water.
In the water.
Fuck.